what's going on, guys? We're going to be playing Super Shot. It's a basketball game. I don't think I've done basketball before, so I'll show my basketball skills. Remember though, there are no good Asian basketball players, except one, I think. So, chances likely...
Yeah, his name is Will Bernard.
Yeah. So, let's see. Here, you can come over here.
You want me to do this?
Yeah, just you can come behind me. We'll see how well I do. Hopefully I don't embarrass myself too much.
I know, right?
Just enough to where I'll still look bad, but alright, here we go. I was just a practice. So was that.
2 points! What a shot! What's the room for 2? 2 points! What a shot! Just bam!
Eat that fortune cookie. Oh, those both went in.
3 points! Super shot from long distance! 3 points! Super shot!
High score.
Oh wow, you got the high score, dude.
From long distance!
Oh shoot. I still got it?
I don't know. Dude, you got 60 points.
It's not even that much.
60 points, yeah, but you still got the high score. I'm like,
I only got 12 tickets.
Really, out of all that?
Yeah.
Alright, well, what do you have to say for yourself?
I'm gonna try again. I can do a lot better, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, for now you do.
Wow, really
oh my god.
Come on.
Oh my god, Will.
Good shot. Good shot.
Comment down below and we'll make fun of Will. I'll crack from now. I'll probably comment with you guys. I'll probably defend him or be against you guys. With you guys.
3 points.
We'll see what happens. Just comment down below and see what I say.
2 points.
Oh wow, that was horrible. If I had this in the video,
I mean, you got 50 this time.
Yeah, okay, I can do a lot better. I'm not gonna do continuous. I didn't like that one. I like classic a lot better.
Alright.
I'm gonna go to my back.
I'm gonna start calling you Asian Michael Jordan.
Right? Asian Michael Jordan. It's actually easier if you do. Well, for me, it sort of was to do backboard, but it's not as like skill, so I don't. But I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it.
What a shot! Yes! Good bang!
See, you're doing better this time.
Room for 2. 2 points! What a shot! Yes! Good bang! With the room for 2. 2 points! What a shot! Yes! Good bang! With the room for 2. 2 points! What a shot! Super shot! From long distance!
Oh, dude, you got way over 60. Oh, wait, never mind. Yeah, you got over 60. 69.
Oh,
yeah, 60. Oh, 69.
That is my favorite score ever.
I know, 69,
right
dude.
there.
Here, I'm gonna try to shoot one with one hand.
Do it.
Ah.
That's what she said.
Oh, wow, that was actually fairly close.
Yes!
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 20. Yeah.
2 points! What a shot! Yes!
Dude, you might have it.
With the room.
You may have it.
2 points! What a shot! 3 points! Super shot!
You may have it. No, you don't.
From long distance!
You missed like 10 of them in a row.
3 points!
55.
Oh. man.
58.
Okay, one time. I'm feeling it, guys.
You feeling it?
I got this, alright?
Alright.
It's all good, fam.
Doing a lot better.
2 points. What a shot. Yes. Good ball. Quick the room for 2. 2 points. What a shot. Yes. Good ball. Quick the room for 2. 2 points. What a shot. Yes. Good ball. Super shot. From launch.
Oh, no, you got me. Oh, dude, you got it. You got it. 78. 81.
Oh, 81.
81. That is a lot better.
I'm happy with that. I could have made
That's literally 12 more than what your last best
yeah,
score was.
at that last part, I probably could have made a few more threes. But
You are my Asian Michael Jordan, dude.
Alright, I guess so. Alright guys, that was Skee Ball Super Shot. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Snapchat, Instagram links are in the description. Make sure you like the video if you enjoyed it. I'll see you guys, I'm a little out of breath. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.